Hello, this is Patrick from XPression. I'd like to show you a new feature in XPression 11.5 and higher, the ability to use a legacy user account on project servers. In 11.5 software, we introduced a new feature for security with project servers, the ability to utilize SHA-512 encryption. Well, that doesn't work in every circumstance. Within an individual station or station group, when everybody's on the same software, that works great. However, there's a circumstance here, and I'm going to use ESPN for an example. They have their schools workflow in the ESPN3 workflow where they have universities and packagers who are building graphics for them. On XPression, because there's such a wide user group there, if I go under File, Project Server, and I choose Deploy, the user information will come up, and I'll click on Next, and that should take me in, but you'll see I get an invalid password for login, and this can be frustrating because it's the same user account information that you've been using. Remember, in 11.5 and higher of XPression, we've introduced the SHA-512 password protection. So we had to go ahead and change one thing. You'll notice here, Legacy Project Server is now a checkbox here. If I check that, I'm going to put in the same password that I've been using. If I have Save Password selected, it will save my password. As well, if I have Legacy Project Server selected, it will save that information as well. And I click Next. And look at this, it takes me right in. Now remember, because of the different versions of schools, not everybody is upgraded to version 11.5, so ESPN has to maintain an older version of Project Server. What they've done is given us the ability for the end users running XPression software with 11.5 build 5811 and higher, the ability to use legacy passwords to get into the ESPN3 Project Server or legacy project servers. So now you've seen how this works. Now you're asking, how do you get a copy of 11.5 5811 and higher? Pretty simple. If you navigate to the Ross Video website at rossvideo.com, you're going to go on the navigation bar and click Learn and Support. From Learn and Support, you're going to come over to the Support section, click on Technical Support, and you can go ahead here and open up a support ticket. You can put all your information in here, and in this case, you're looking to do a software request, and then fill out the form, and then one of our team will get back to you. Simple as that.